Hi, this is Christine Crowell here, and I really want to talk to you today about some AI tools that are truly amazing. And I want to try and take away the complexity of this. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can win contracts for your business. Now, imagine that you introduce 4 AI tools that can 25x your productivity when you are looking to win contracts faster. I know it's a bold statement, right? But listen to me. I want to go into this further. And leaders, I know that you are ready for this. And this is going to blow your competition out of the water with winning contracts today. So I'm going to be revealing to you 4 incredible AI tools that will help you create powerful presentations that are streamlined and that will help you in your tender submissions, for example, to secure high value contracts. So stick around to the end because I want to talk to you about how these tools can save you hours, and I mean hours and days and even weeks, whilst making your proposal look the next level presentation. So professional. So let's jump in. So imagine that you've got PowerPoints and you've got AI tools, and I'm going to discuss this with you further. There's quite a few different aspects. One of them is you can use NotebookLM, creating slides, which are based on uploading documents. Now, these documents are trained materials, so they have to be materials that you've created, for example. And then Notebook then will generate professional slides for you in minutes. It is absolutely incredible. It's a game changer, and it's perfect for care businesses needing to showcase their professionalisms, their operational processes, and also any team trainings to help you to win that contract, that government contract. So let's look at Perplexity AI. It's one of the tools here that I'm going to discuss with you. It is an AI tool that acts like a research assistant for your company. It's like having an AI tool on steroids, basically. So the free version is great. Yeah, so you can check that out. It's not a problem. But you can also have the paid version that gives even more functionality, including links grabbers, where you can grab information, pull data from websites and documents, for example. Now, if you're building a tender submission or researching regulations, this tool makes deep research simple and fast. You can't lose with this. And I'm going to talk to you about tool number 3, for example, which is Gamma AI. Now, this is my personal favorite. Gamma AI not only can generate a full presentation for you with just prompts that you put in, it will also pull content directly from your blogs, your website, or your existing documents. Wow, it is so exciting. So what's even better is that Gamma AI includes image generation to make your slides visually appealing, but also stunning at the same time. It has a flexible formatting so that it's seamless for you to transfer to other platforms, for example. So do you want your presentation slide decks to stand out? Then Gamma AI has got you covered. So the next one that I want to talk to you about, which is what we all know of course. This one is ChatGPT, Claude, for example. Of course, I couldn't leave it out because we all know it. But there is an advanced version called Claude, and these tools help you craft the perfect content for your presentation. Now, this is for your tenders and your submissions as well. Now, you've got to make sure that you do understand about what it is that you want to articulate, what services that you want to offer, how you're going to meet the buyer's point of view so that they can see you as the only logical option. So let's go into this. I want to go further into this. Now, this is a very persuasive content that aligns with your goals, and it also impresses the board or helps you to win big contracts. This is your secret weapon, but you've got to be also aware that you need to make sure that you put the right information in. Otherwise, it becomes delusional, and you don't want that. So it has to be the right person putting this information in as well. So the next one, which is my bonus tool that I like to use, which is Google Docs. Then I also integrate it with Microsoft Copilot that I mentioned in my previous video here, or on this side here, for example. Now, these tools bring everything together, helping you move seamlessly into your research to the presentation. So what I want you to do is this for you? Because I've mentioned some AI tools, well, 4 main AI tools that will 25x your productivity and win the game to you getting contracts faster for your business. So get started today. What are you waiting for? Like and subscribe. Click the link here, book a free 15-minute appointment with me, and I will go through it with you as well. But we also cover this in our AI bootcamp. We cover how to get contracts, but we show you how to get the contracts using AI tools, which is it's a no-brainer. So I hope that you'll be able to join us at our contracts bootcamp, which is AI bootcamp. So I just want to mention some of the highlights that I mentioned. NotebookLM, this can create slides for training, for example, and also presentations from your existing content. Then there's Perplexity AI, which is your research assistant. Wow. It also grabs links for deep research as well. There's also Gamma AI, which will generate entire presentations, including images, visuals from prompts or existing documents that you have. And of course, there's ChatGPT, which is Claude, craft persuasive, polished content for tenders and submissions. Match this with Google Docs, and Microsoft Copilot will streamline your integration for content creation and slide generations as well. So I've mentioned a few things here, and I hope that you'll be able to join me tonight in my live. I am going to be doing a training, 2-hour training on Saturday. So I hope that you'll be able to join me as well. And I really want you to think about AI, integrating it into your company right now. We are an automation agency. We specialize in AI because I've been using it for the past year, for example. So I know what will work in your business, for example. It is quick, it's effective, and it will save you hours of scratching your head, trying to work out what to say, how to say it. It will format it, for example. So imagine that you're struggling. If this is you, if you're struggling to secure contracts, then Gamma AI and ChatGPT to create a killer presentation. Guess what? You will land a 6-figure deal within the time frame that you're meant to, for example. So during this tool demonstration that I will be showing you on screen, I will be explaining to you things about Gamma AI, automatically how it generates visual stunning slides in seconds. So I want you to be able to be aware of this and just imagine the enthusiasm that you're going to have using this. So I'm sharing this secret with you today, that these multiple 7, 8-figure businesses are using, and it is amazing. And this will transform your business. By joining our AI bootcamp, we cover this in the AI bootcamp. And I hope that you'll be able to join me, because I want you to win for 2025. I want to show you all different things that AI can be used for. It's not just about robots. It's about other things that's going to help you in your business. Because I know that you possibly have spent years, you've applied for things and not got very far with it, for example. But this will ensure that you have used your best possible foot forward, for example, to win. So I want to really explain to you the value in these AI tools as well, and how powerful that GTP is, which we all know. And do share with someone that you know that would possibly want to join the AI bootcamp, for example. I've explained about how these AI tools can help you to win contracts faster in your healthcare business, and it will help you with your tender submissions, and it will make it easier for you. So let's think about this together. And by you joining the bootcamp that we have, these monthly AI bootcamps, we cover, this bootcamp is over 5 days, and we cover contract submissions. We cover how to write a presentation to match the buyer's response, what they're looking for, what are the different scenarios that the buyer is looking for from you. How do you write a pen picture? How do you submit the tender? How do you create your presentation? How do you pitch to a buyer that wants to use your services? Because you've submitted a tender, but they may want to meet with you, or may want to do a presentation, for you to do a presentation, so that you are shortlisted and that you win the contract. Because it's not just about submitting the tender, it's also about winning the contract. So when you get shortlisted, then you may have to do a presentation of the presentation that you submitted. So you need to understand that side of things as well. And I want you to have a detailed plan for integrating these tools into your business, because AI is the future, and AI can be used for healthcare businesses. I'm going live tonight, and I want you to join me, because I'm going to go into more in-depth discussion about the AI tools that you can use to help you to get contracts, because I want you to win. I want us all to win in 2025, but I also want to empower you with the right tools and know how to use them, and not think, I'm here trying to do this by myself. But you're the entrepreneur, you're the business owner, you're the care provider, and you need to learn how to do these things, even if you're getting someone else to do it, which is what we do. We do contract services. But at the same time, I want you to understand all the things that's involved. And these are some of the things that we'll be asking you about your business. That, you know, what policies do you have? What training schedules do you have? What processes do you have in place? We need to hear that from you to get your DNA in order for us to build the correct submission for your business. Now, there's only a certain percentage that you can use for AI, so you have to let the organization know that yes, this is the percentage that we use for the AI submission, for example. So they're aware, for example, but there's no reason why you can't use it because you're getting it from your own information. You got it from AI, but you prompted AI. You gave AI the information from your policies, procedures, from your website, and also you checked through it to make sure that it resonated and aligned with your company. So this is the key factor. So I wanted to just share this with you that AI is the way forward. It can help you in so many ways, and it can reduce your time. Imagine you do a contract. Usually it would take 6 weeks to do manually. But this way, it can be done in a matter of weeks. If not, in a week. It depends how much time you put in and how much information you've got already within your company. So these are about creating. AI is like different job roles within your organization that can be 100 times faster. So I hope that that was helpful to you. Do like and subscribe. Join me for the live tonight at 7 p.m. UK time. I look forward to speaking with you all soon. And like and subscribe. Comment, let me know how long it takes you to do contracts. Have you tried it? Will you be trying it? I'd love to hear your feedback on it. Book a free audit, AI audit call with me, and I will discuss with you. And I'll also tell you about our AI bootcamp as well, which covers contracts, which is important. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and I will speak with you soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye.